Hey guys, today we're going to do our second music theory lesson, which is on accidentals, time signatures, and key signatures. Now, all of these would be on something you would call a sheet of music. First off, we're going to start off with accidentals. Accidentals are possibly the biggest thing in music that you will need to understand, because it's not just like normal notes like G. There could be other notes like G sharp or G flat. Now, accidentals are your normal threes, which is like natural, sharp, and flat. Natural means it's just a regular note, like say take G. Sharp is 1/2 step above the normal note, so G sharp would be um, this. G flat, for example, would be the same thing as F sharp, which is like this. But we're not going to learn those notes yet because we need to get over our major scales. But anyway, accidentals are basically just the three signs you see next to a note, to the left of a note. So if something tells you to play sharp, you play one note on the half step of it. So if it says F, and then it has a sharp sign next to it on the left, you play F sharp. Now, there are some notes where the sharps and the sharps and flats don't work. So F flat, if you were to be on a piano keyboard, there would be 2 black keys and then 3 black keys. Between E and F, there are no black keys. So if someone tells you to play F flat, they're talking about E natural. And if someone tells you to play E sharp, they're telling you to play F natural. This goes with the same thing for B and C. B sharp equals C natural. C flat equals B natural. Now, I hope you can understand this because I'm just saying, I'm not good at this, but I'm trying my best. Flats are one note on the half step of the original note. Sharps are 1/2 step higher. Time signatures. Time signatures are a crucial thing in music. If they tell you to play in a certain time signature, that means you need to address that. Now we're going to talk about the stuff in time signatures. There's a top and a bottom. The top, let's take for example 4/4 time. The 4 on the top means there are 4 notes in the there are 4 beats in the measure. The 4 on the bottom asks you what note gets that beat. And to explain that further, I can tell you that the 4 on the bottom means the quarter note gets that beat. If it's an 8, the 8th note gets that beat. And if it's a 2, the half note gets the beat. Now, key signature is what we're moving on to next. Key signature is what key you're playing in. And the circle of fifths would be the best way to understand what key you're playing in. So, for example, this isn't right at all, but say there are 2 sharps, and those sharps tend to be F and C. You are going to play F sharp and C sharp. You're not going to play C sharp or you're not going to play C natural or F natural. But sometimes in music, sometimes there isn't a sharp sign in the key signature, so you don't have to play a sharp on it unless it tells you to. So say C is not on, say C is not in the key signature, then you would have to play C natural unless there is a sharp sign to the left of the note. If there is no sharp sign in the key signature or to the left of the note, you play a natural. Same goes with flats. If a flat is in the key signature, you play the flat version of the note. So if a flat sign is next to a B or is on the B line, then you have to play a B flat. But if it's not there, then you would have to play B natural, or if there is no flat symbol in the key signature, but there is one next to the note, you play B natural. And also, I have to tell you this, at the end of each measure, which is four beats or so, that accidental ends. So say the accidental you were playing was B. Say no, you were playing was B flat, but there is no flat in the key signature. Once that measure ends, that note goes back to B natural. So I hope that helps, because I done that my freshman year of high school and I really messed up. And I hope you guys don't. So I hope this helped you. I can't wait to see you in my next Music Theory lesson, and we'll get some more stuff. So yeah, bye guys.